Step-by-step guide to financial freedom. Unlock your potential and achieve financial independence. Set a financial goal. Determine what you want to achieve financially and create a plan to reach it. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Reduce expenses. Look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses, such as subscriptions or memberships you no longer use. Stay disciplined. Stick to your plan and continue making smart financial choices to stay on track to achieving your goals. Increase income. Consider ways to earn more money, such as taking on a side job or starting a business. Pay off debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, to free up more money for savings and investments. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save enough money to cover at least 6 months' worth of living expenses in case of an unexpected event. Invest for the future. Consider investing in a retirement account, such as a shares cryptocurrency, to grow your money over time. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Seek professional advice. Consult a financial advisor or planner to help you make informed decisions about your money. It's important to remember that becoming financially free is a journey, not a destination. It will take time, effort, and discipline, but by following these steps, you can take control of your finances, set yourself up for a financially secure future, and achieve true financial freedom. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation by resisting the urge to upgrade your lifestyle as your income increases. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account to ensure that you are consistently saving and investing money. Negotiate bills and expenses. Call your service providers, such as your cable, internet, and cell phone companies, to negotiate lower rates. Shop around for the best deals. Before making a purchase, do your research and compare prices to ensure you are getting the best deal possible. Create a debt repayment plan. Make a list of all your debt and create a plan to pay it off in a specific order, starting with the debt with the highest interest rate. Learn about personal finance. Stay informed about personal finance by reading books, blogs, and articles, and listening to podcasts. Keep a long-term perspective. Stay focused on your financial goals and remind yourself that achieving true financial freedom will take time and effort.